Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. My name is Moath M Alsolami, and today I'm going to be the first introducer of this interesting topic that goes by the name software quality. As a start, what is software quality? Software quality simply is defined as a field of study and practice that describes the desirable attributes of a software product. And there are two main approaches of software quality. The first one is defect management, and the second one is quality attributes. So, what is defect management? Defect management simply is a process used in software development and quality assurance to identify, report, prioritize, track, and resolve defects in a software application. It helps maintain and improve the overall quality of a software product. On the other hand, quality attributes or technical requirements are measurable and testable properties of the system and the way they satisfy the needs of a user. It's a set of features or properties to measure the performance and characterize how useful the software in a specific environment is. And of course, we have other definitions for quality, but I'm going to let this topic be introduced by my teammate Tariq Alzahrani, and thank you for listening.
Yes, thank you, Matt, for explanation. I'll be talking about other definitions for quality. For the first one, we have degree of excellence from Oxford Dictionary, which basically means how good something is, like the product or the service. For the second one, we have fitness for purpose from Edward Deming, which means whether the product or the service meets the customer's needs. The third one we have best for the customer's use and selling price. It's basically the balance between what's best for the customer and what is affordable. The last one we have the totality of characteristics of an entity that bears on its ability to satisfy stated or implied needs. This is more of a comprehensive definition of quality that takes into account all of the factors that affects the customer's satisfaction. For the next slide, we have some of the major attributes to identify the level of software development quality. And they are availability, and it is the percentage of time a system should be up. We have correctness, which defines the ability of the system to be to perform the tasks it's defined by its specifications. And then we have interoperability, and it says measures how well the system interacts with other systems, and or how easily it is to move to other platforms. And then we have modifiability, and it is basically how easy it is to make a change in the system, like modify anything in the system. And then we have maintainability, and it says displays how costly it is to keep the system running without it's breaking down. And then we have performance, and it's how much data and memory can the system handle, like for it to produce its products or service. The next slide, we have more major attributes like usability, which says measures the user experience while interacting with the system. And we have reusability, which means different code library classes should be created in a way to be easily used in different program modules and like for it to be reusable. We have reliability, and it says how well the system operates over a period of time for it to be reliable for the customer. And then we have security, and it says displays how the system manages malicious or unauthorized access or modifications, like protection from hackers and things like that. And we have uh, testability, and it's how fast the system can be tested. For the next slide, we have quality management, and it says focuses on defining, measuring, and refining the quality of development process process and the products developed during the various stages. The objective is to help developers deliver high-quality systems that meets the needs of its users. Yes, and I'm finished. Now we're gonna go to Abdullah. Thank you.
Now we are talking about the high software quality. The high software quality, that's mean the capability of the software product to satisfy state and implied needs when used under specified conditions. That's mean the high software quality, which is mean the capability of the software product, which is meet the need of the user or of the customer. To achieve the high software quality, we have too many aspects or several aspects that is the important aspects of to achieve the high quality software, which is the functional correctness, the reliability. It's important to be the software reliability to achieve the high quality. The performance of the software, it's very important. The scalability of the software, it's should be يعني high quality software يعني should be handling increasing workloads. So that's mean the scalability of the software. The security of the software also is very important to achieve the high quality software. It must be very secured. Maintainability, it's able to make maintenance and something like this. The usability, it's easy to use. It's meet the customer needs, the user's needs. So it's not need to be very complex. So it's be hard for the users. Compliance also is very important to achieve the high quality software. We have some rules to develop a high quality software, which is some of this rules that I already said. It's to be secure, it's to be maintainability, scalability, performance, reliability. It's very important aspects to achieve a high software quality. So you cannot achieve the high quality of the software without doing or meeting these aspects. We have some factors that contribute to poor quality software. So it's the software become very poor. That's not meet this aspect. So software, it's not reliability. There is no reliability in the software. Bad performance, no scalability, no maintainability, no security. So that's mean it will be a poor quality software. Lack for domain knowledge, lack for technology knowledge, unrealistic schedule, poor actuation practices. So this all will give a very bad quality. So the software will be very poor. What's the importance of the software quality? So why we have to focus on the quality of the software? Because the customer will be satisfied, they will reduce costs. So because you will edit the software more and more, it will cost money. So it will be high cost. Software will be very high cost. So we have to ensure that the software will be in high quality, because we will reduce our cost. So we can meet the customer needs, so the customer will be satisfied. Competitive advantage, that's very important. So you have another advantage. So the quality is the most important advantage in the software. Risk mitigation, enhanced productivity also, it's very important. So that's why we have to ensure that the software be in very high quality. The most important part is to meet the customer needs. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, we are ready.